In this video, I am going to show you how you can copy my trades automatically in an easy way by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. So this copy trade is available for my VIP members. If you are not into my VIP, then I would request you to join my VIP to make high win rate trade by automatically copying my trade on a daily basis. So now let me quickly show you how you can copy my trade for several prices. Okay, so just log into your account and click on social trading, and then click on here and click on search. And in my VIP group, I'll give you a user ID. Just paste that user ID. This is not my user ID, this is a random user ID, so I'm just showing you at here. Okay, so for example, this is my user ID. You can click on it. Okay, once this appears, then you can, if you just don't want to start to trade or copy my trade, then you can keep me on watch. Okay, and you can keep on watching me. Okay, my trading status of the account that I have allowed you to copy it. Or what you can do is you can simply click on copy. Okay, so now I will be making $20 per trade. Okay, so currently I'm making $20 per trade. If I'm going to change this amount, okay, then I will definitely announce in my VIP group, but currently I make $20 per trade. Now first thing you need to understand is how much balance you have. For example, let's say you have $1,000 balance. Okay, and you only want to risk up to $200, then put this stop balance $800. Now if your balance is below $800, then no any trade will be copied. Okay, it is for your safety. Okay, you can do it. Now as I have told you, I will be making $20 per trade, and you only want to copy my trade and make trade of $5 per trade in your account. Okay, then what you can do is you can simply put 25 here. Okay, and leave everything as it is and click on confirm. Now in straight way, what it says is you will copy 25% of provider's trade amount. That means if I make trade of $20, which I only make, okay, I consistently make $20 trade only in every trade, and you will be making $5 per trade. Okay, to the exact entry point where I am going to make trade. Similarly, if you want to make $10 per trade, then you can increase it to 50, and here you can see 50% of provider's trade amount will be copied. Okay, and if you want to make $20 per trade, then you can keep it 100. Okay, and 100% of the trade will be copied. That means I'll make $20 per trade and you will also be making $20 per trade. And last thing, don't worry about this thing, or if you didn't put anything at here, don't worry about that. Okay, because I'm only going to make $20 per trade. You can be assured for that. Okay, so guys, if you are in my VIP, copy the user ID and follow the exact process to start copying my trade. Thank you, and let's make profit now.